Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see it there for yourself. Just a great, big, nasty, uptrending day yesterday. A couple things. It's the consequences of early in the week not being able to take out the 9-day simple moving average, not being able to take out the weekly pivot. The bears certainly had their chances. When the Trump speech didn't materialize into the bearish event that so many people had kind of hoped it would be, it caught whatever shorts were left leaning, a little bit too far over the tips of their skis, and we got a fairly big squeeze. Europe started it, and then it progressed into our regular session. We traded one tick below the regular session opening print, and then we were just off to the races. I was commenting to some of the contributors in the room that if we were going to do 2400 today, that was going to be the day. They did 2401. So that brings us to now. So now what, right? Well, it's always interesting to see on, the day after where support is going to find itself. We've made matching lows down at 23.89 half in the overnight. So a couple looks here, 89 half, 89 half. They're trying to build upon that. You got the hourly mid-band. This is what I was talking about earlier in the week. Talked about this yesterday. They failed to convert weekly pivot. Hourly mid-band holds, and then you just get a day of let's just run the bears right out of town. So I wrote here, where will support try to establish? We're going to have to see. So 89, 90, 91, that area is going to have to be good for the bulls. And what they're going to have to do is what they had to do back in February. They're going to have to continue to make new highs. Is the market tired today? I don't know. We're going to find out. It was a pretty muted Globex session, but you can see in the tape that things are starting to loosen up a little bit with regard to volatility, which is always a good sign. If the bears can convert these 89 halves and then convert the daily pivot and close somewhere, down in this area, then you start to look at round number 2401 as, as having the potential, at least for the rest of the week, to be the high. Whether it ends up being some kind of a intermediate top, don't let yourself get into those conversations in your head. Trade what you see and respect risk, whether you're long or short. We did 3 trades yesterday. All of them were incredibly difficult to take because of what your brain was telling you. We got long 82.75, we got long 86.75, and then we got long 96. All because price could not convert the 5-minute mid-band. I did one of them, not live on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat, but I kind of laid it out, what I was telling people on the audio in the room. Those trades are difficult to take. It's hard to buy highs. But in those situations, you have to understand that if the shorts can't convert a simple area like the 5-minute mid-band, then you have something that you can lean on in a trend up day all day long. So that's what we spent yesterday in the room doing, just getting long, and it worked great. Really good start to the month. So see how we open up today. Understand that 89 to 90, 91 is going to be really important. And if we can stay below it, then the bears have a chance to push a little bit. If it ends up being support, then the bulls have one job today, which is to take out 2401. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll catch everybody with the midday update. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.